saw in the opening, it's planting time for Swiss chard. This is a time of year here as we start off in September, because even here in Central Texas, which is a warmer zone, we're going to start into the shorter days, cooler days as we move forward, and it's the perfect season for that Swiss chard. So as you saw in the opening, that is a 50-foot row. It's 30 inches wide for this bed, and that's well over 200 Swiss chard that go all the way there to the back. So we're starting those out of seed trays. We're planting this morning. So let's go down and take a look exactly how I plant these. It's a simple, easy procedure. These were planted back mid-August, so we're about 3 weeks on these seedlings. That's how old they are. Let's go down right before we go into the tray. Let's look at that seed tray, and you can kind of see their size as we get ready to plant. So there they are. And so let's go ahead and get a few in the ground and show you how we do it. Okay, so you've seen this row. This is a 50-foot row, 30 inches wide. This is the time of year we're going to be planting our Swiss chard. And as I talked about, here's what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and show you exactly how we plant this Swiss chard. It's a simple process. This seed tray is a wind strip tray for Never Sink Farm. These are the seed trays that we like and we use. You do not have to use these. I'll put the link in the description of Never Sink Farm, Never Sink Tools. We like these because they have the open bottom. They're easy to push the plant out. And again, these are about 3 weeks old, so you can see the size that they are. Okay, so let's show you a planting, simply how simple it is. We're going to take one of them, and again, that's where this open bottom is so nice. I can push out this Swiss chard, which is bright lights. We get these seeds from Johnny Seeds. So you can see there's the little, this one had a little bit of loss of soil in the bottom, but no problem. We've got good root system right there. I like to plant about 8 inches apart. If you look at Johnny Seeds, they say 4 to 6. I like to give them a little bit more room because as they grow, they like to spread out and have plenty of room. So for me, I suggest 8 inches on this bright lights Swiss chard. So I've got it measured here. My little spade that I use from right there in the middle to the end is 8 inches. So that makes it easy. I just mark it with my finger, mark it there, come in. Now when I make my divot, I want to make it deep enough where the soil is going to come all the way up to the bottom stems of this Swiss chard. So let me go in, make a good nice divot. You can see I'm dropping it in. And if I did it too deep, no problem. I can drop a little soil which falls below it, come in, make sure that that soil is right even with the top of those bottom leaves so we've got good support. And that's it. Let's do one more. We go back over to the seed tray. I push out of the bottom. You can see we've got a nice wrap of root system right there, which is going to give this plant a better chance. That's why we wait to about 3 weeks. So it's got a good chance for survival. Again, we're coming in at 8 inches. There's my mark right there. I'm going to make a nice good divot so I can drop it in. And you can see it doesn't matter if it's a little bit too deep, no problem. As long as our leaves are above, we're nice and snug in the ground. And that's that. If you look at it, that's simple. That's a 50-foot row, 30 inches wide. We're well over 200 plants at this point. In a simple backyard setting, you certainly don't have to have that many Swiss chard. And again, you can see 3 weeks there, transplanted in. Within a month, we had them in the ground and they're ready to go. Hope that makes sense. If you have any questions, please always leave your comments. Maybe you do a little bit different. Leave your comments down the comment section. Thanks for finding our channel here at Whirlwind Family Farm. It means so much. Remember to like, subscribe, certainly hit that bell for notification. And again, we appreciate the comments. Blessings over you, your family, and your garden. Talk to you soon from Whirlwind Family Farm.